and welcome to Hall of Fame ZRR edition. I am Road Janvi Mishra, Joint Community Service Director for Road Club of TCET.
And I am Rotractor Bhushan Nehte, Joint Secretary for RCTCET.
And together we are the host for today's Hall of Fame session. So today with us we have our ZRRs from Zone 2B. Please introduce yourself, guys.
Hi everybody and lots of love and greetings to Rotary Club of TCET. This is your ZRR, soon to be was protractor Asta Parekh from Zone 2B.
So hi everybody. Hi every one of my engineering friends from RCTCET. This is Rotractor Saurabh Patil. Your soon to be was ZRR of Zone 2B.
Okay, so this year has been amazing. Everything has been online. So let's go back to the beginning of the time when you got elected as the ZRR. We all want to know that how was the feeling when you got announced? How did it feel to be the ZRR of Zone 2B?
Okay, so talking about this, I never had it in the list of ZRR, and I'm sure this story has been so famous of me and Saurabh that how we became ZRR. It is like very famous by now, and everybody knows that I do not belong to 2B. I belong to 2A, but I was made the ZRR for 2B. And both of us in the long list did not have any idea or any will to become the ZRR. So we apparently gave auditions, or we gave the interview for being something that both of us wanted. We wanted to be IS directors together, and then एक रूम में सौरभ का इंटरव्यू चल रहा था, एक रूम में मेरा इंटरव्यू चल रहा था, and by the time we came together outside, we were just sitting and chilling around, and I just happened to ask him, सौरभ किसके लिए अप्लाई किया है? So he said ISD. I said I also applied for ISD. I said घुमा के ZRR बोला है. He said मेरे को भी घुमा के ZRR बोलता है, देखते हैं क्या होता है. So then the story is here where when we were announced, and I just messaged him, and I rather called Saurabh, congratulations, ZRR 2B बन गया है. And he did not ask me तुझे कौन सा position मिला. Okay, he also did not have any ये कि तुझे किसमें तू भी ZRR है कि तुझे ISD मिल गया, because both of us had applied for the same thing, right? So दोनों को story पता थी. Later, at the end of the day, he realized that he did not ask me, or he did not realize that who his co-ZRR is. And then afterwards, at the end of the day, when everybody congratulated each other, I got a congratulations from my co-ZRR, ki, oh, you are my co-ZRR, so both of us are going to work together for the entire year. So that's how we became the ZRRs together. There might be a lot of more mirch masala, but that's I'll leave to Saurabh. People keep on telling me कि तू बोलती है ना तो सौरभ को बोलने नहीं देती. Today I am stopping here so that he can talk.
That moment when Asta said na कि Saurabh congratulated her to congratulate her as congratulated me to become the ZRR. I had a massive brainwave after a few hours. Ki, okay, I should have at least a common courtesy, a common decency to ask her that what position did she secure, because we were competing both, as she said, for the ISD. But so what happened was, so whatever the story Asta told, it is actually pretty much similar for the both of us. The only main difference was, Asta, you never called anybody, right, to say I'm interested to become a ZRR. It's just that the ZRRship came to you directly. What happened with me was, so in the interview, multiple positions were offered to me. And there were like 5 to 6 positions which were offered to me, and out of the other 2 positions which I had originally applied. So after that, it was a 1.5 hour interview, and after that interview, so I started thinking about ZRRship, and ZRRship was like, no, I'm not going to do ZRRship at all. So after a week or so, I had a change of heart, and the person who interviewed me, that is Mohit, I called up Rotractor Mohit Jeswani, and Mohit, I said, Mohit, I heard what you guys said about ZRRship and how it could be a different, it could be a different experience for me. So I think you should keep that also in my, in my selection process for the position. So Mohit said, how come did you have a change of heart? Like it would be a good, it would be a good experience for me. and who knows, if I get a good partner, it might actually become good. So after like being announced, she was the first person to wish me to say congratulations. And I realized, oh God, I didn't ask her. Like, and believe it or not, this is the fun bit. Okay, Astha and me, we knew each other, as in we knew each other. The first time we spoke like properly, it was during the interview time. That was the first time I had an interaction with Astha Parekh. And Astha had interactions with my mom and dad because she had come to my place in Palghar when I was in Kandivali. So she had interactions with my mom and dad. I never had an interaction with her. So when I realized, like, oh, so Astha, so when I realized Astha is my close friend, I'm like, oh, that is going to be pretty interesting. And because I've never like spoken to her, and from being a ZRR, we became friends, and I think the whole journey was pretty incredible for us.
Dad knew me before he knew me.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. That was great experience. To hear all this, we can feel it. कितना अच्छा लगा होगा. So now share the experience of being the ZRR. अब तो अब तुम लोग ZRR बन गए. तो full year, how was it like to be a ZRR of Zone 2B?
I will go first. Thanks.
Yeah.
So when it comes to 2B, it is actually a mixture of all sorts of clubs. Okay, from one of the best clubs to one of the worst clubs. Okay, where you actually have to push people, not worst in the sense of not doing anything, but they need a lot of pushing. Okay, so there have been clubs who have been quiet since so many years, and because of the push or because of the enthusiasm that all of us have showed in 2B, they have actually worked. Okay, and they have come up with a lot of new ideas and working together and a lot of things. Okay, so 2B was actually a big challenge, but then coming down to the entire year that we see, me and Saurabh are like quite happy that we've done a good job, and people are happy with us, and most importantly, the clubs are happy with us, because what you see generally is by the time you come to December or January, the clubs shut down their activities. They go little less active, and so do the ZRRs. That is what the feedback was when we took meetings in the start of the year. So सोया ही नहीं है कभी 2B, हमेशा जाग ही रहा है. एक आवाज पे सब रिप्लाई करते हैं और एक ही आवाज पे सब प्रेजेंस भी दिखाते हैं. तो it has been all a family time and a good time with all the 2B people.
Not एक आवाज Astha, it is एक emoji. Acknowledge with this emoji.
Acknowledgement with emojis has been the best part when you talk about this, because I do not like chat. I am a very emoji person. So I started this trend of replying to everything with emojis. So then people had to literally go find the emojis and then send it. And then finally after that, some people realized that, okay, even if you search the emoji, you get it on the keypad. Okay, so that person is here, but I won't like to name him. So then a lot of people came close by too in the entire journey. So overall, it was a very nice experience.
Most of the bits which Astha said, actually, it is a common thing between the both of us, that we had a lot of fun while being the ZRR. They said that when we came to 2B, when we became the ZRRs of 2B, the day by day unstoppable, year by year unstoppable. That is the theme which 2B has been carrying along. So the thing was, we were initially worried how things might turn up due to the pandemic, but actually, because 2B is so expansive, it is geographically huge. I think it might be geographically the most biggest zone compared to the other zones, because there is a club from Jogeshwari to Palghar. So technically, it's a wide area. So, and 2B and the bonding aspect of 2B was always somewhere around, clubs interacted with each other, but not on a huge scale. So the whole idea of Oktoberfest and due to everything being shifted to online, it helped each and every club. It helped each and every one of us to get connected with each other, get close to each other. Yes, I agree that if there wouldn't have been a pandemic, it would have been far more fun. But the situation which came to us, we made the best use of it. And the way the entire zone carried itself, I think cheers to each and everyone. Even for Rotaract Aces, me and Astha were like, when when they announced Rotaract Aces in the month of May, we had a big question mark, because this is the phase when there is a transition of power happening. Most of the presidents are handing over their powers to their president-elects, and that is the phase people are going through. How are we supposed to do an event where we have to bring in 50, 60 or so odd people into an event? So within one message, be that PressSec, be that those Google Forms, anything, the CL, ACL, which of the red, which we plan to do, everybody were very communicative, and that showed the whole unstoppable nature of 2B. And I think, yeah, that is something I'm going to, move along and say to my successors and to their successors, you might get tired, but the zone might not.
Okay, so now let us talk about Rotaract Club of TCET. So we want to know, how was Rotaract Club of TCET involvement in the zone?
Okay, so there is no rains without the clouds. Okay, that is what TCET meant to Zone 2B this year. From something that was not seen at all to somewhere that you all have reached is phenomenal. Okay, जहाँ कोई नहीं दिखता था वहाँ से, this is as a ZRR, it is कि कुछ भी हुआ ना, TCET को जाके बोलो काम हो जाएगा. So that is the love and भरोसा that we had on you all कि नहीं कहीं पे भी अटके ना, we know we have these clubs as our backup and you all were one of the backups. So बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा बॉन्ड बना with everybody from the club. ऐसा नहीं कि एक कोई पर्सन या दूसरा कोई पर्सन, the entire club in the entire event in the entire year was very 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 close to me and Saurabh कि किसी को भी मैसेज किया कभी भी क्वेश्चन नहीं आता था कि क्यों और कभी. It was always कि हाँ हम हैं, काम हो जाएगा. So that is the bond that you all have had in the entire year.
For me, it was a bit more of an emotional thing, because I have always been a bit biased toward the engineering side, because I'm myself an engineer. So when I realized like there are two engineering clubs in 2B, and UCOE was just new. It was just started. It was hardly a year old, and TCET was there, but TCET, it didn't made a mark, like how Bharat would say. So Asta and me, when we endeavored as a ZRR, so we made a note of it, like these clubs have to be in the forefront. And the irony is, we never had to do anything to uplift TCET. In fact, it became the other around. TCET sort of uplifted us. So when we came in, the energy and the whole loud nature of RCTCET is something like, which just makes me awe every single time. It was like the amount of OPs which came in. And Asta is like pinging me behind. What does OP mean? Tell me. Asta, okay, OP is overpowered. And it's like, oh, this is like, it's like Asta OP.
No, you all always grouped ऐसा ganged against me कि हम engineer वाले लोग हैं, तू medicine वाली है, तू अलग group में. That is how you all always made me feel.
So it was like the TCET के साथ the whole year, even during Oktoberfest, it was a midnight call. Me, Abhishek, Prince, Naidu, and another person was there. I don't remember. हम लोग थे वो टाइम पे बोले थे कि सौरभ भाई आप तो हम लोग के भी मेंटर ही बन गए इंजीनियरिंग के साइड से. तो लाइक आई थिंक दैट वाज सच अ बिग ऑनर फॉर मी. भले ही वो बात मजाक में डिस्कस हुआ था, बट इट वाज सच अ बिग ऑनर फॉर मी, लाइक ओ माय गॉड, लाइक एज एन इंजीनियर मेरे को पता चलता कि लाइक आई एम लाइक बीइंग अ ZRR ऑफ अ क्लब व्हिच इज गोइंग टू बी एन इंजीनियरिंग. आई थिंक आई एम बैक. तो मेंटर एंड मैं ये बोल रहा था कि लाइक the whole Scribble night which we had, that was epic. That was epic.
I want it again before the year ends, by the way.
Yeah, actually we need to do the Scribble night again, because that was so much fun. Yeah, I mean, it was. And I'm so happy to see that someone from the RCTCET itself is going to be our successor. And, that makes us very proud.
Prince OP.
Prince OP.
Prince OP in the chats. So now, as the year is almost coming to an end, so is there anything that you both feel that maybe an event or something that could have been better, like you want to go back and make it right, something that did not go as planned?
It's just that even though we had everybody backing up all the year round, I still feel that somewhere down the line, even where people expected me and Saurabh to be active even after December or January, as I said before, people from to be the presidents actually and the secretaries somewhere, not everybody, became a little less active. Because we understand it's a transition phase altogether, but then we are still there for you all, and we expected the same from everybody because both of us had promised people we will not leave your side until we reach the last day of the designation and even after that. So it was a give and take relationship altogether. But then somewhere down the line we feel कि थोड़ा सा और active थोड़े time के लिए और हो जाते तो it would have been better.
So as I said, the entire year went online due to the pandemic, and it helped everybody, to bond well with each other on Zoom. But I really wanted somewhere, that a ZRR Pressec or something. So if Red would have happened, there was a plan going on of all the Pressec coming together at my place or some other place to to discuss about it and do a thing. So I think that is the bit I want, that the physical this and the OCVs of the clubs and everything. I wanted to attend like physically, which Astha had the opportunity to, she was lucky, literally lucky to attend TCET ka OCV. I missed TCET ka OCV, and I'm like, I so regret it. And this goes to other clubs as well. This goes to many other clubs as well. Like, a physical OCV is something I missed so much.
Okay, so coming back to TCET. So TCET and ZRR, we know that you all have a great bond with each other. So we would like to know, how was your experience when you took the first individual ZRR Pressec meeting with TCET and your complete year overall with RCTCET?
I'll go first. So the ZRR Pressec which first happened, I remember. So Prince was pretty curious about the whole road track movement as a whole, and Astha, being an admin director in the past, she knew the entire know-how of how the backend works. She knew the entire know. So she was explaining ARAs and she was explaining all the other events and everything. And I could see how Prince's I got lit up and like, oh. And Astha went in to bring her acers.
I remember I stood up only specially to get my acers and show it to Prince and Shubham.
Yeah. So it was both of them. So both of them were so curious to see, and I think the entire theme of that ZRR Pressec was huge and heavy curiosity to know what it is, and and building up that sort of confidence to to go and achieve everything out there. So, and I think RCTCET, Shubham and Prince, both of you actually did made RCTCET proud, because you actually from that ZRR Pressec you did pick up the pace and you did what was the right thing to do, and made the club so active that each and every GPM member, each and every BOD member is so active in the club right now, and the club has a beautiful future down the line. So that ZRR Pressec, yeah, it was fun, but I'll say it was very monumental.
Okay, moving on to the next question. So we can see that you both have great bond, and that is the reason maybe the Zone 2B is doing so good. So what advice would you like to give to this successing ZRRs?
Just be with your clubs and try to have all the trust that they have only on you, not anybody else. That they should not require the feel or the need to go to anybody else if they have doubts or anything. They should go, not a problem, but you should be the go-to person even at 2 a.m. Ki chalo question hai, I can go and ask them. That's the only thing that will get you through.
ZRRs, the future, you have to become the WD-40 of Zone 2. Whatever happens, you have to spray it and fix everything out there. what I mean to there is, you just have to have a lot, like how Asta said, having fun is the main bit. Because if you're not going to, because if you just approach it towards it as just another work, trust me, by a quarter or two, you're going to realize that that's not working out. But if you start having fun, if you start actually bonding with the president, secretaries, the GBMs, the BODs, it's not possible on a, you know, on a physical or mental scale to, you know, to be in touch with each and every GBM or BOD. But PressSec, yes. So that is something I would just suggest, you know, keep that bonding alive. Keep that bonding alive, and, you know, keep that spirit alive. Winning anything, losing anything, that is just a part and parcel of life. But at the end of the day, the bonds which you make. So when the time will come in on June 30th, 2022, you need to know that rather than you know, having so many president secretaries, you should say, I have so many friends. I have 36 friends. I have like 40 friends. That is what should be. Because it's just an automatic process. Once you start having fun, everything starts to align in line. I mean, this is what me and Asta observed in Oktoberfest as well. Once we stopped looking at it as a project, it was far more easier for us to actually work on it. Because each and everyone in the zone supported us, had fun about it. Me and Asta was still pretty technical because, you know, it was our project. But we realized that we should start having much more fun rather than being too much technical about it. And that is something we just want you to carry, and it will be good for the year.
Okay. It was so great having you both with us. Is there any like parting message you want to give us?
There are 30 days remaining. What parting message you asking right now?
All of Liam ka ending message.
Just joking.
Just keep shining as you all are. That's it.
It was actually, it wasn't lame. It was fun. I had fun.
And if you see the previous episodes of Hall of Fame
Yeah.
when they're released,
You will realize how lame we are.
how lame we are.
Yeah, thank you so much for joining, guys. I know it was difficult to remove time for us, but it was great having you all here. We had so much fun. I hope you had fun too.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay,
Thanks
so this
for
is
calling
your
us.
host,
Thank you.
Protractor Bhushan Nehte, and
Protractor Janvi Mishra.
signing
Signing
off from
off.
the Hall of Fame.